Sophie, this is proof. Look what my mom got. Look. No, that's right there. Mom, look. Hey, she's gonna pop the bottle. She's done this before. Busted. Told you, Sophie. Mom's drunk. Look at what time it is too. Look at what time it is. 3:08. She's trying to get drunk. Knock it back. Open it, Ma. Chug it. Chug it. Chug it. She's desperate to open it. She's gonna chug it. Oh, pouring it for the homies. Pouring it for her homies. Oh. Yep. That just happened. I'm trying to drink at 3 o'clock in the morning. 3 in the afternoon. Yep. Okay. Can you walk? Oh, you got it all over you. I don't know if you can be able to drive now. Told you.